Race ready.
Napag-play na mo ng hard play na may gano'n yan kasi mag-sit pa yung pad.
Mas okay i-set siya muna.
Set muna, ano ka muna, accelerate, hard brake. Install it to check the brakes first because we have new pads, so do short bursts and then, you know, feel it.
This is gonna be our first session for the day, track attack challenge. We're gonna hope for a 140 something, 145, 146. Yeah, sana makakuha tayo ng oras na ganyan.
Salamat, di ba sabi ko? Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Wala pa. Ayan na, cool down na siya. Okay.
Oras ba?
Hindi, he's just familiarizing per segment pa eh. So, yan, pagbalik nito, hot lap na yan. Ano ko dyan? Cool down pa? Nagpapa-cool down pa yata. Hindi, nagpapa-cool down pa siguro yan. Puta, Miguel? Ano nangyari? Tanyo?
Hindi, tumingin mo na sa dapuan. Nagkausap na Marshall, umagal eh. What happened yesterday, the brakes failed. The car crashed again.
Ay, Supra oh. Shakedown session is that we change the pads and the rotors and new fluids. So the first race is at 9:45. The car just has so much more power compared to before, and braking here is a lot harder. There's a lot more stress on the brake system here because of the very technical track. So it's gonna overheat quicker than. Luckily, the new brakes arrived, but no time to install it. So for next race, we will have a new brake system, a better one.
Pero gin-try ko shift, fourth, third, fourth, fifth, fourth, fifth, fourth, fifth.
Out, in, out din. Tama? Out, in, out. Then straight. Ryan, out, in, out. Casino. Chicane. Chicane, out, in, out. Last turn.
Yeah, we did alignment last night again. Everything is okay right now.
Ayos na kami ng camber ulit. Camber setting ulit. Tapos alignment. So, hopefully, makalabas tayo ng maayos ngayon. Makakuha ng magandang time. So, good luck kay Bossing.
Nervous?
A little bit.
Why?
May pressure eh. May pressure. May pressure ng konti.
Ngayon pa lang sa oras siguro. Nalasa mo ulit. Alap. Goma, Paps. Pag preno.
Ina-hard brake niya siguro.
Gumagano, no, di ba? Wala pa. 55-52 pa lang yan. Oras BRC pa lang yan eh. Pinapauna niya, oh. Ayan na, ano na to, hot lap na to.
Ha?
Nakaya tabak mo?
Ayaw na ng transmission?
Ayaw na.
Ayaw na?
Hindi na kaya.
Hindi na yata kaya.
Dati yun dito. Transmission?
Nag-limp mode yung kotse. So, parang may narinig ako pa sa ping may tanggal. Pero hindi ko masabi kung ano yon.
Overheat siguro! Overheat yung transmission. Palit tayo. Ay na, kala ko nag-iba transmission eh. Kala ko nag-iba.
Roll cage pala. Maluwag? Saan maluwag? Tanggal tornilyo.
Tornilyo. Tumama siguro sa helmet mo.
Yan muna tayo.
So, soft side pa rin to. Pero actual muna, testing ko. Kami ni Joseph. Sakay ko siya. Kahit dito sa labas lang. Balik.
Okay.
Ana.
Hindi naman siya ganun ka malambot, no? Parang malambot feeling ko.
Ay, hindi, matigas. Or, matigas na muna upo ako, hindi ako komportable.
Hindi naman parang gumaganyan mo.
Malakas sayaw niya.
Hindi kahit state yung kalsada. Or feel mo. Medyo may...
Oo.
Ano? Medyo sa tigas na part
Yun
siya.
yung,
Pwede
doon,
bang
yung
bumawas?
tinuro ko sa'yo na parang nag-bump na
nasa
ano.
soft nga eh. Oh my God, my
Ano? Better, no? Pinapaypay likod.
May gusto lang akong idagdag, Paps. Low speed compression. Isa lang. Medyo malambot.
Sa rear.
Harap likod, Paps. Dalawa.
Low speed compression, no? We're probably 50% into our suspension tuning, and even during race day, we're trying to dial in some adjustments, and every adjustment it gets better. Sometimes it goes a bit over, then so we adjust again, we adjust somewhere else. It's a long process, and we have to. Hopefully, we get the time by the end of the day. Earlier, I think the oil sensor on the transmission is acting up a bit, so it put the car on limp mode. That's why it was going so slow. Let's see what happens next. We race in about 1 hour.
Wala pa.
Okay lang naman yung steady na pick up speed eh. Ang problema, sobrang aga niya ngayon magpreno. So, ano ba problem yan? Ang laki nung ampul na mga minus 10 sa namin eh.
Sobra pangit yung labas ng auto, naghihirap ko pagkalabas ng start.
Oh, grabe. Kita mo kayo ngayon gano'n. Naputa ba?
Doon sa yung Marvel.
We had a baseline time with so many mistakes, and we can't even push the car yet. So it's good. We're in the right direction. We need a lot of seat time to play around with the suspension. So
Yesterday we did our experimental in our suspension, but something happened in our brake, it failed. We are lucky we crashed the car.
we still got a podium finish. 3 out of 3 races, so that's a podium is a podium finish. And we'll be back with less power, but more grip. No, fuck it. Fuck less power. With the same power and more grip.
Second runner-up trophy this time. Let's call in Manuel Chua. Congratulations, Sir Manuel Chua. It's the third step on the podium in the fastest division.
Congrats.
Team Mick. Manuel Chua, second runner-up. Paul Perez, first one up. And Lawrence Amino is at number 1. Congratulations, guys.
Congrats.
The Silent Time Motorsport Track Attack Challenge. Way to go. Somebody please let Lawrence Amino know. He got the biggest trophy up in here. Next. Let's call in the bracket race results. Batch 2. Let's call in the winner, the champion in batch 2 for bracket racing here today. For the Silent Time Motorsport BGRC, champ goes by the name of Joel Agoho.
Hindi tayo makasali sa Super Touring. May seminar pa pala yun eh. Oo, kasi iba daw yung club nila. You have to go through a seminar. Hindi daw yung katulad lang ito. Dapat I have to have like a license sa driving. Kung wala ako dyan, mag-seminar muna ako sa kanila. Kasi it's daw, may racing etiquette sila na... Basta, may rules sila.